In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a course on Skool. Whether you're an educator looking to share your knowledge or a business professional seeking to offer training modules, creating a course on Skool can be a straightforward and rewarding process. Let's dive into it and get you well on your way to launching your course. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, simply type Skool and hit enter. You should see Skool's official website as the top result. Click on that first link to navigate to the Skool homepage. Once you're on the Skool homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. This setup process is quick and easy, requiring only some basic information. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Skool platform, ready to start building your course. Now, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You're going to see two arrows. Click on them. This action will help you access the menu you need. When the menu opens, you're going to select the specific community within Skool where you'd like to share your course. If you're part of multiple communities, be sure to pick the one best suited for your course content. With your community selected, you'll want to locate the Classroom section. Click on Classroom to proceed. It's here in the Classroom dashboard that you'll begin the actual course building process. It might help to think of this space as your workshop. Now that you're in the classroom, look for the New Course button and click it. This will allow you to begin drafting your course from scratch. It's time to bring your ideas to life. The first thing you'll do is type in a name for your course. Choose something descriptive yet engaging to capture the interest of potential students. Once you've named your course, it's time to craft a brief description. Share what your course is about, the key takeaways participants will gain, and any prerequisites they might need. This is your chance to set expectations and entice learners with what's in store. Following your course description, determine who will have access to your course. Skool provides flexibility here, allowing you to decide whether it's public for all to see or private to a select audience. Ensure you're clear about your target audience when choosing these settings. Finally, with everything in place, from the name to the description and access settings, you'll click on the ADD button to save and launch your course. And just like that, your course is live and ready to engage learners on Skool. Take a moment to review what you've set up and feel free to make adjustments as needed over time. Congratulations on creating a course on Skool.